Hello and welcome back. Today I am making a little thank you card that I decided to use Canva today because they have so many great easy ways to make cards. So I'm just gonna hit the thank you card. Um, I'm gonna use today like the little elements right here that go on the back. Actually, I might use this one. No, 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 no. I'm just gonna stick with the tried and true. So I'm gonna drag this one larger to make it fit the card. Might be a little too big. Okay. Anyway. And if you want to, you can go in and add like, real fancy text. I really like this one. So I'm just gonna put thank you. Now if you want to add anything else extra, that's fine, but this is like a real basic one just to say thank you. If you like, you can add like a discount code or something at the bottom. Well, I'm just gonna put code. Um, May sale 123. So that's just then you go ahead and save it. I like to use either a PNG or a JPEG. So for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and use a JPEG, and as you can see, it's downloading. And to retrieve this, I can go over here, change my change my layout, and do like a landscape instead. Then I can go back, oops, and insert the picture that I just made. hmm And that's the basic thank you card right there. I'm going to right click it to change the size and the position of it because I'm going to make a real tiny small basic one. I'm going to hit this lock that allows me to go ahead and change the size. Do a 2 by 3. Is that what I had the last time? I think I did. But either way, it works. Copy, paste, 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 paste. Okay, so I did one earlier and it actually looks pretty different from this, but it's the same technique. Everything is still the same, and I use the rest of my time showing you how I use. Um, I'm sorry. Let me get over here and cut and paste. Okay, paste, paste. Sorry about that. I guess I was moving a little faster than I should been. Anyway, so yeah, we finally got this thing situated. But anyway, this one you can just go ahead and print it. I like to use cardstock, send it to whatever printer you like. And that's pretty much it for this video this time, you guys. And I thank you, and I'll be back again for the next one.